Yes, so hello. It's not a very good time to actually show such a thing, but yeah, you may be facing this kind of problem in the college result website, of course. So yeah, it's actually this problem is a like basic level of system design question that normally occurs in actual interviews. So I'll be explaining actually what can be the solution and how can we actually fix this. This is a very easy problem, but I don't know why the college doesn't fix that. So I'll be moving to a presentation. So yeah, let me just show you. So why the result portal crashes during this time? So normally, uh, you can see like in this you can see that the browser is working, the Cloudflare is working. What is Cloudflare? It's like a basic port between the actual database, actual backend, and the front end that you are using, so that the security remains maintained on no one like can find the open ports and just get into the results, or anyone would like, get access to it. So yeah, and the error is in the host. So why is the error in the host? So yeah, normally what happens is that it may be limited to 200 visitors an hour. Like the website is limited to 200 visitors an hour. Like and during the result day, suddenly it spikes. Normally, okay, this is a bit more exaggeration, but it's about 1,000 to something, and you maybe need a paid version of the Cloudflare or a more paid version of the Cloudflare in order to like take that amount of transactions or take that amount of fetch that amount of data. So yeah, that's the whole point. The system overload is the main thing why this type of request processing occurs, and yeah, the website crashes in the last place. So next, how can we solve this? Okay, this is the cheap architecture. The system goes and just goes to the database. Yeah, I need the result of this guy, and it takes in the result and gives it back. It's the normal way. So when there's about 1,000 students, they log in, they tell the database to fetch the results, it goes and fetches the result. This is an exhausting thing. Then how can we move this? How can we make this better? There can be four ways: the load balancing, caching, database optimization, and auto scaling. Okay, load balancing is the most easy way. Like load balancer is mainly like there can be more than one servers. Here in the website, there is about only one server that is taking in the request and fetching it back. In a multi-cluster, or like you can say load balancing, when it balances the load, then it distributes the data to different servers and asks them to fetch the data simultaneously. So the website doesn't crash. It like divides into microservices and gets back to you. It can be 1,000, it can be 2,000. The load can be over that. So yeah, and next we can do caching. Now what is caching? So you can take an example like at 5 p.m. like the juice like the demand in the juice spikes, like of a shop spikes. Why? Because that's the end of the office period and people come and take the juice. So what you can do first, like every person comes and they say, yeah, prepare me a juice, and you go and prepare the juice and give it back to the person. This is the time consuming thing. Like if 2,000 people come, you have to go back and make the juice and come back. Instead, you can just make a big amount of juice already and be ready at the time of the surge. And when the people come, you can directly fetch them like very easily. And of course, it's time efficient. Next is the pillar three. That's the data optimization. Like you can divide the chunks, although it's not very much good in making a result. Like you cannot do very much optimization in this. And the fourth can be the auto scaling. Like I can't actually fully describe the thing. Like there are many ways that you can like drop the spike by moving or actively dividing the servers and traffic drop. So that's a different thing. So yeah, that like you can say that's how we can like solve this problem very easily. But I don't know why the college doesn't invest in that. Like there are specific fields you need to invest. So these are very cheap services actually. These are not very much. And regarding to the fact that the college is using Cloudflare, it's actually cheap. Like it takes about one to $2 maximum to about 100 to 200 users, and our college doesn't have to fetch much more than about 1,000 users. So I don't know why the college like doesn't invest in that, or there can be other problems also which I don't understand yet now. But yeah, also Redis is a good thing. I have used this for the cache. And yeah, that's it. That's it for the video. খুব বাজে সময় জ্ঞান দিচ্ছি, but yes.